Hello, this is Patrick from OPPRacing.com. We're the exclusive distributor for LighTech products in North America. We're going to show you a nut and bolt kit which was installed recently on a BMW S1000RR. This is a really nice accessory. The LighTech Nut and Bolt Kits, they come in 6 different colors, and they're built for the engine, frame, and fairing. So I'm going to show you here. So we got the black, red, gold, blue. We also have an indigo and a silver, not shown. This, for example, on this bike we did an install for the engine, frame, and fairing. As you can see, this is the engine bolt kit. So all the bolts that are on both sides, the engine case covers and clutch case covers as well. So this is it's a very nice accessory, very easy to replace. All you do is you take the bolt out, you measure it up with the bolt that comes into the box, and you just replace it. Make sure you use a blue Loctite on there. So this is the clutch side, so basically replaces every single bolt here, even underneath the clutch cover. The oil, or sorry, the water cover pump, and then your starter or crank, as well as what you can see is actually the fairing kit. So every basically bolt on this BMW has, as you know, has a lot of screws. I mean, it is just screws absolutely everywhere on the fairing. So you lose about 35% of the weight. And it gives it a nice custom look. If you want to blend it in, this particular customer wanted all black, so it all blends in. Very nice piece, easy to do. Another beautiful LighTech product.